Hello, this is a brief overview of the market trading clock for cTrader by ClickAlgo. You would have purchased it from the website and downloaded it and activated it with the license key that comes with it. So you'd have now accessed it through the custom indicators. I'll add the default values. The first thing you'll see is who the product is registered to. Then you'll see the 3 exchanges that are currently open on cTrader. And this is Tokyo, Singapore and Frankfurt. There's 7 exchanges in total. It shows the exchanges in their local time. So in Tokyo it's 3:11 p.m. And Wellington it's 6:11 p.m. Also shows you when the exchanges are opening. So here it's the following day at 9:05, and on the right you have the exchanges that are about to open. On the left you have the exchanges that have previously opened, and the white ones are the ones that are currently open. So the next one to open is London in 49 minutes. So what I'll do, I'll just go through the parameters with you. And I'll turn off the show registered user. So the first thing we've got now is show my time zone. So you can actually show the exchanges in your current local time zone. So here it's 9:12 in the morning. So I'm on holiday, that's why it's showing 9:12, not in London. So at 9:12, and it shows you in your local time when the exchange is open. So here, London opens in 48 minutes. In my local time here, it's 10 a.m. You might find that you can switch between the two, local time zone or the actual exchange time zone, whichever one works best for you. You can change, you might not have a black chart, you might have a white chart or a different color, so you can change the colors of the open and the closing time. So I can change this to green, and then it shows me, it's more of a subtle color, it's not so strong on the eyes. If you make a mistake, it'll actually tell you, if you've made a mistake on entering the values. So you can adjust it to anything you want. So I'll go back to white. Oops, I didn't need to do that. I can change them without clicking off the screen. Silly me. So yeah, you can change the colors for the open and close exchanges. You can also specify when a market opens, you can have an alarm bell goes off. So you can turn that on or off. So when, say for example, London opens in 47 minutes, you can put any file you want and put the path here to the file, and you can play a bells, the actual exchange sound, any kind you want to alert you if you're not looking at your charts or you're not aware of what's going on, that an exchange is about to open. You can be more focused if there's an overlap and there's high volatility. You can show if it's a 24-hour clock or not. Here you can turn off the opening and close times. So a basic view would be just this, the exchange times for the exchange, the local times, so when the exchange is opening. You can just show closing times. So here it just shows you when Tokyo, Singapore and Frankfurt is about to close. You can turn that off. There's different combinations you can show just opening times. So it shows you Wellington opens at 9:05, London opens at 8 a.m, or you can show all the information. You can have an alert before a market opens. So I've set it to 60. If I set that to 45, what will happen, you can have it so that at 45 minutes before a market opens, it sends you an email. And here's your email address here. So you might be away again from your charts, and you might be on your phone, and an email will be sent to you to say a certain exchange, it will tell you which exchange it is about to open, so you could then go back to your charts and have a look. You can also show the time zone label, exchange local time, so it tells you what exchange or time zone you're currently at. And then if you're an FX broker user, you can turn this on, and this just tells you at midnight at a certain time. It'll actually tell you on the screen that the trading has stopped, because that's when they update their data. I think their liquidity providers stop giving data. So that's all the properties, and I think that market's about to open when it gets to 45. I put it 46. It's still 45, so when it'll open any second, it'll give the alert. One thing you should note on this before you purchase it is that since it was developed, cTrader integrated this font size. If you change this to small font, it will actually completely change your the layout. This hasn't been fixed on the market trading clock. So if you do have different font sizes, oops, I've got to get back to how it was now. If I get back, it will definitely mess up your clock. So if you I would definitely be aware of this before you purchase it, and make a decision if you do want it or not based on that. Okay, thank you very much.